Welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a Triceratops. Let's start off by drawing a line that goes up and slightly to the right. Then, makes a turn and curves down like so. At the start, draw a thin triangle with a rounded bottom for a horn. Followed by another horn behind without the rounded bottom. From between the horns, draw a line that bumps out once for the forehead and once more for the snout. For the mouth, draw a line that curves to the right with a notch like so and stops at this end here. To make the Triceratops a Triceratops, add one more horn here on the snout. And for the mouth, draw a wide curve underneath like so. To start the body, draw a long line that curves down and to the right, then turns up slightly at the end. For the legs, draw a thick, slightly curved rectangle over here, a very slightly curved horizontal line for the belly, and another thick rectangle over here for the hind leg, followed by a curve going up and to this end here for the tail. For the other legs, draw an L-shaped line here for the front leg on the other side, and another one here for the hind leg. And don't forget to add a dot on the head for an eye. To add a little bit more detail, draw some arches on the feet like so for the toes. And now you've got a Triceratops.